Deep cleaning on Lenovo Legion 5 15ARH05H laptop. Thank you, Sir Neil, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The Lenovo Legion 5 15ARH05H laptop was brought in for a complete internal and external deep cleaning service due to performance concerns and signs of thermal buildup, including increased fan noise and elevated internal temperatures. This preventive maintenance procedure was performed to restore the laptop's cooling efficiency, improve airflow, and extend the life of its internal components. The process began by powering down the laptop and disconnecting it from all power sources. As an added safety measure, the internal battery was disabled through the BIOS and later disconnected manually to eliminate the risk of electrical discharge during internal handling. The technician used an anti-static wrist strap to avoid electrostatic discharge, ESD, that could potentially damage sensitive components. After safely removing the back cover by unscrewing all necessary screws and using a plastic prying tool to avoid scratches or bending, the internal layout of the laptop was accessed. This included direct visibility to the dual cooling fan assemblies, the heat sinks, RAM modules, SSD, motherboard, and ventilation pathways. A thorough inspection was conducted, revealing visible dust accumulation along the fan blades, heatsink fins, and air vents, which could potentially restrict airflow and cause thermal throttling over time. Using short, controlled bursts of an anti-static air blower, combined with a soft bristled anti-static brush, all dust particles and debris were carefully dislodged and removed from around the fans and heatsink fins. The fan blades were held securely in place during this procedure to prevent free spinning, which could damage the bearings. Areas such as the power delivery components, VRAMs, RAM slots, and around the GPU and CPU regions were also cleaned to prevent overheating due to dust insulation. Externally, the keyboard surface was cleaned with a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with 70% isopropyl alcohol to sanitize and remove any grease, dirt, or residue between the keys. Special care was taken not to dislodge or damage the keycaps, as Lenovo keycaps are known to be delicate and not designed for frequent removal. The screen, palm rest, trackpad, and surround